In this lesson, we will learn how to create a custom flow. Remember that unlike core flows, which extend an existing resource, like customer profiles, custom flows create new resources. For this example, we will create a blog resource. Select Flows from the dashboard. Click New Flow. Enter a name. We'll call this flow Blogs. Enter a slug name. We'll enter lowercase blogs. Enter in an appropriate description. Keep Enabled checked. Click Save. The blog's custom flow has been created. Let's now add fields to our resource. Click New Field. We'll keep this as a string field type. Enter the name of this field. We'll call this blog title. We will enter in the slug name lowercase blog underscore title. Next, we'll enter in an appropriate description. For a required field type, we will select Yes. For Hide Empty Template field, we will select No. We will leave default order blank as that's not applicable here. For order, we will enter 1 as we want this field to appear first. Click Save. Let's go ahead and create a second field for our blogs flow called Blog Content and click Save. Now when we look under Flows in the dashboard, we will see blogs listed. When we select the flow, we will see the fields we created, blog title and blog content. Click New Entry to enter information into this resource.